Hi everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Ankake Yakisoba. Ankake Yakisoba is pan-fried crispy yakisoba noodles with topping. And the ingredient for topping can be anything. Little bit of pork that is not enough to make main dish by itself, chicken, shrimp, leftover cabbage, leftover carrot, anything you have in your fridge. So this is a great dish to clean up your fridge. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this Ankake Yakisoba, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 4 bags of yakisoba noodles, and these are the ingredients for the topping. Today I have some mustard spinach, carrot, cooked quail eggs, sliced pork, shrimp, and some bamboo shoot. But as I said, you can use anything you have in your fridge. 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon each of soy sauce, sake and Chinese soup stock, 4 teaspoons of potato starch or cornstarch, about 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, and some salt and pepper. As always, let's finish all the cutting first. So carrot, peel the skin, cut the top off, cut it into 6 diagonal pieces. Then slice it thinly. Mustard spinach, cut the bottom off. And just cut it into 1 inch or so all the way to the leaves. And pork, just cut it into small pieces. So that you have pork in every bite. Now, I'm making the topping. Prepare 400 ml of water, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sake, 1 tablespoon of Chinese soup stock, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 4 teaspoons of potato starch, and mix it well. And just put it aside. Heat up about 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in the wok or frying pan. Today I'm using sesame oil, but you can use any oil you like. Let's cook uncooked protein first and the rest of the ingredients next. So pork. Shrimp, for whatever protein you're using it to stir it, you can add the rest of the ingredients. So let's add the vegetables. Vegetables are wilted, so I'm adding bamboo shoot and quail eggs. And I'm adding this seasoning mixture. The potato starch is sinking at the bottom, so before you add it, mix it one more time. Add it all at once. And keep cooking until it becomes thick. Some salt and pepper to taste. And the topping is ready. Now, yakisoba noodles. Noodles are sticking together in the back, so let's microwave to release them. I did 4 minutes at 600 watt. And the noodles are hot and loose. Heat up about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in the frying pan. Again, I'm using sesame oil, but any oil will do. Add yakisoba noodles. And stir fry them for a few minutes. I'm making 4 servings, so I'm going to divide the noodles roughly into 4 so that it's easy to serve later on. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep cooking without touching this time to make nice crust at the bottom. I cooked it a little over 1 minute. Sneak peek the bottom to check the color. Yeah, it looks good. So let's flip them over. And do the same for the other side. The bottom side is nice and crispy too, so cue the heat and let's serve. So noodles in the bowl. And the topping. And Ankake Yakisoba is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. The noodles are crunchy here and there, and the topping is so good. It's full of umami. Delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Ankake Yakisoba is noodles, but it's carbs, it goes here. And the topping replaces the main dish. Tofu hiyayakko for one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles either off the shelf or homemade for the other one. Wakame soup here, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.